Hello and welcome to Star Wars Obsessed. So this is part 2 of my AT-AT restoration, and this time I'll be cleaning the body. It's really dirty on the inside, dirty in the battery compartment. I really want to clean this. Now there is a concern of the stickers. I could remove the stickers, but I had trouble with the Darth Vader Star Destroyer, removing the stickers off of that, and some of them got ruined. And that I didn't care because I had replacement stickers, but this one I don't have replacement stickers, and I would prefer to use the original since I have all of them here. So what I'm going to do is I'll just I'll try to work around them. We'll work around the stickers. Now there's one part where the sticker is coming off, so I may go ahead and remove that one and just reattach it with glue. Alright, and this is not going to be difficult to do. I'm kind of nervous because there are wires and I don't want to break the wires, but I know it won't be too difficult because I did watch a video on Toy Polloi where he took the whole thing apart and it looked okay, but it still makes me nervous because I don't want to break anything or ruin anything. So here we go with removing. Okay, let's remove this door. Okay, that'll be easy to clean. Got the one sticker there, but I'll just try to avoid that sticker. Looks like it's a bit, maybe some of it is gone? I don't know. Don't remember. But it's really dirty, needs to be cleaned. Alright, let's remove this top part. Ooh, the bottom is really dirty. Look at that. Alright, that was really easy. I can easily clean the top part now. Get all that grime and stuff off. This is really gross. Let's see. The back just comes off easily. Okay, let's see. Before I start removing things. Okay, here's the back. It comes off like that. Fairly easy. Okay. Ugh, dirty right there. Now, this has, so now I can lift this out. All the mechanism, the electronics is here. This is just all plastic, and this will be so easy to clean. Awesome. Okay. Now this part is going to be the tricky part, because this is where the wires connect. I do want to take this off because I want to wash this. So, let's see. Let's look at that. So this is the green wire that connects here. The red wire connects here. Okay. Wow, that's so easy. And then I could just take it off easily. Now I can get this nice and clean. So happy about that. This works. Okay. I gotta take this apart now. Alright, looking at this one, you can see that it's dirty. Need to clean that. It's dirty inside, so I definitely want to get that out and clean it. So we're going to unscrew these parts. Interesting metal piece here. Can the metal piece come out? Yeah, the metal piece comes out too. Wow, very dusty. Dust is all over my fingers. Alright, dusty on the inside. Can I take this off? So I can take this off and clean it. But this part with all the electronics on it, not taking any more parts apart, or these pieces apart. I'm just going to start cleaning them now. Alright, it is all cleaned. It's amazing what washing will do. Unfortunately, the plastic, there's just coloration on the plastic, like this yellowing on this battery compartment cover. And there's yellowing here. You can see it. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, but you can see this yellowing, and I can't get that off. But I got all the dirt and grime off, so it looks so much better. And this is much better looking. There's no dust, there's no dirt on it. Oh my gosh, it's quite a difference. It's quite a change. I would really, there was this dark stuff in here. It was, I don't know what it was. It was just gross, and unfortunately the stickers are kind of old looking. I would like to have better looking stickers, but not right now. But everything looks good. Everything came out nice and clean, and this is just scratches from, most likely from being used. But there was all this dirt and dust in there. Looks better. It's time to get all of this back together. Alright, I got the head back together. Looks really good. Let's put this canopy on. Alright. Oh, the dust. The dirt. Alright, there it looks. Good. Looking good. Looking good. Okay, now for the rest. there we go. It is together for the most part, and it looks cleaner. Let's check what. Let's just check if the electronics are working. I don't want to put everything together and then it's not working. Oh, sounds good. All right. Let's put the battery cover on. All right. Very good. Let's put this back on. All right, and the door. Let's put the door on. Excellent. This looks amazing. Now, there is one thing that is an issue. Or not one thing, there are 3 things that are an issue. I have these guns, and unfortunately, as you can see, bent. This gun, this is also bent, and this gun, as you can see, is bent. So I am going to use the method of dipping these into hot water and straightening them out. Fingers crossed. Well, I tried the hot water method and it seemed to work for the most part. This is not as bendy as it was. It's still a little bit bent, but I couldn't get it perfect, but it's not as bent as it was when at first. And this is the other one. This one's a little bit better, but not as bent. So the hot water method really works quite well. But what's really amazing is this. I got it straightened out. I don't even know which one it is now because it's not even bent anymore. It looks great. So hooray! Hot water method. Looks fantastic. Now, time to put all of this stuff together. It's beautiful. Thanks for watching Star Wars Obsessed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. You can also check out more of my collection at the Star Wars Obsessed blog.